In this video, we're going to be looking at practicing expanding logarithmic expressions. So we're going to use our properties of logarithms to expand each of these. First one I have is natural log of 5x to the 7th power divided by y. So first I see that fraction, so I know I can immediately use the quotient property. So that tells me I can subtract those two logs. So that means that this is going to be equal to the natural log of 5x to the 7th minus natural log of y. Okay, now I see that first log, natural log of 5x to the 7th. I see that I have 5 times x to the 7th there. So I know I can use my product property to expand that to say natural log of 5 plus natural log of x to the 7th power, then minus that natural log of y at the end. And then that last thing that I see is this exponent here. And I know from my power property that I can move that exponent to be in front of my log. So this becomes natural log of 5 plus 7 natural log of x minus natural log of y. Looking at that, I see I don't have any more multiplication happening within the log. I don't see more division, no more powers. So I see that that is completely expanded. Okay, let's look at number 2. Number 2, I have log base 5 of 125 divided by x times y. So immediately I see that fraction, so I'm going to go straight to the quotient property to rewrite this to say log base 5 of 125 minus log base 5 of x times y. Okay, looking at this first one, log base 5 of 125, I see I can actually simplify that log. And that's because I can rewrite 125 to being 5 cubed. So I'm going to have that. So I have log base 5 of 5 cubed minus, and then here I see I have x times y there. So I can use my product property to rewrite this as log base 5 of x plus log base 5 of y. Notice I put parentheses around this because I am subtracting this entire thing because of the fact that these two expressions are equal to each other. And now simplifying this further, I see that my log 5 of 5 here cancels each other out. And so I'm left with 3. And then distributing that minus sign, I get minus log base 5 of x minus log base 5 of y. Okay, looking at one last one, here I have log base 6 of 3x to the 4th. So first thing I notice is that I have 3 times x to the 4th here, so I can use my power property, or product property, to say that this is equal to log base 6 of 3 plus log base 6 of x to the 4th. Looking at this first log, I can't rewrite 3 as a power of 6, so that is simplified. Look at my second one, I see I have this exponent with my x, so I can move that exponent out to the front. And so this becomes log base 6 of 3 plus 4 times log base 6 of x, and that is completely expanded.